Hi students, today I explain second term unit 1 lesson heat. So in this chapter we studied about sources of heat, definition of heat and temperature, differentiate between heat and temperature to understand thermal expansion in day-to-day life, understand? Now first we introduce. So we are all familiar with heat. We feel it on our body when the sun shines. We use heat for cooking our food. We reduce the heat by adding ice cubes while preparing fruit juice. Now let us learn about sources of heat. What are the sources of heat? The first one is sun. So sun is the ultimate source of energy. Understand? The second one is combustion. That means burning. So this is also a source of heat. The third one is friction. So when you rub your palm for some time and then hold them to your cheeks, how do you feel? You can generate heat by rubbing to surface of some substances. Then is electricity. When the electric current flows through a conductor, heat energy is produced. The water heater and box electric kettle work on this principle. Understand? These are the more important source of energy. What heat? So what is heat? So heat is an energy that raises the temperature of a thing by causing the molecules in that thing to move faster. That is called what? Heat. Understand? In short, heat is the total kinetic energy to constituent particles of an object. A SI unit of heat, that is called what? Joule. The unit calorie is also used. Okay, the SI unit is joule. So what is hot and cold objects? In our day-to-day life, we come across a number of objects. Some of them are hot and some of them are cold. So how do you decide when some object is hotter than the other? So we use the tip of our finger to find out whether the tea in a cup has enough heat to drink or whether milk has been cooled. So enough to set for making curds. We often determine heat by touching the objects, but is our sense of touch reliable? So understand. So we use measuring temperature by touching is not correct. We use thermometers are used to measure temperature accurately and quantitatively. So what is temperature? So definition of temperature. The measurement of warmness or coldness of a substance is known as its temperature. Measurement of warmness or coldness. The SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. SI unit of heat is joule. SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. Celsius, and Fahrenheit are the other units used. Celsius is called centigrade as well. To determine the direction of flow of heat when two bodies are placed in contact. Okay, so this is activity. Read the activities. You understand what? Boiling point of water. Okay, then heat and temperature. So what is the differences between heat and temperature? So heat and temperature are not same thing. They in fact mean two different things. Temperature is related to how fast the atoms or molecules move or vibrate within the substance. So heat not only depends on the temperature of the substance but also depends on how many molecules are there in the object. So temperature measures the average kinetic energy of the molecules. Heat measures the total kinetic energy of the molecules of the substance. So this is the differences between heat and temperature. Okay, so read carefully the above concept. Okay children. Okay, thank you.